Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health, that's big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my fountain of youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is me. It's time to take a me day. It's okay to be selfish today. Have your favorite beverage. Have your favorite food. Do your favorite activity. Stop thinking about what the world says is cool, what the world says is a great hobby, a great activity. What is the in crowd doing? What are you doing? You're original. You came in this world by yourself. You're going to leave by yourself. You have a fingerprint that is not duplicated. It is one of one. The thoughts that you have in your mind are one of one. No one else thinks like you. So enjoy the activities that you love. Everyone may not fit in. This is not the time for that. I need you to make yourself happy. So when you're happy, when you go back into the world, when you go back into surroundings of others, you're in a happy place, and that makes a huge difference. And you enjoy your life, you enjoy your experience, you continue to build on your manifestations, your job, your creations, your inventions. So much better, and you are more efficient when you're happy. I allow serenity to reign within me. I love myself and invite harmony to settle within my being. I listen and honor and strive to fulfill the needs of my soul. You've outgrown people, hobbies, places, jobs, and you're heading towards new and higher heights. Embrace that and watch how happy you become. It's all about you today. Look in the mirror and say, it's all about me. I'm filling up my cup to the brim. I'm overflowing myself with love today. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.